The hard anodized exterior is dense, non-porous, and highly wear-resistant for extra durability and professional performance. Quantanium interior, a patented non-stick cooking surface reinforced with titanium, provides healthful non-fat cooking options and easy cleanup. Solid stainless steel riveted handles stay cool on the stovetop, provide a safe and solid grip. Tapered rim eliminates drips while pouring. Oven safe to 500 F. This pan is not induction ready. The hard anodized exterior is dense, non-porous, and highly wear-resistant for extra durability and professional performance. Quantanium interior, a patented non-stick cooking surface reinforced with titanium, provides healthful non-fat cooking options and easy cleanup. Solid stainless steel riveted handles stay cool on the stovetop, provide a safe and solid grip. Tapered rim eliminates drips while pouring. Oven safe to 500 F. Clear, break-resistant glass with tight fit to seal in moisture and nutrients for healthier, more flavorful results. This pan is not induction ready. Cuisinart is pleased to offer an exciting new variety of specialty pieces of chef's classic non-stick hard-anodized cookware that make everyday cooking tasks a pleasure. Superior heat hard-anodized construction heats quickly and spreads heat evenly, eliminating hot spots. Top reviews from the United States. High quality pan. I'm big fan of Cuisinart products. This is my second purchase for Cuisinart Crepe pan. The thickness and size is perfect for crepes. What I loved about this pan is that it's not flimsy or thin. It's super heavy-duty stuff, yet easy on hands. The handle is made of solid stainless steel which stay cool on the stovetop. I have been using this forever, and never had any issues with handle getting loose. Since there is no plastic part, the pan is over-safe too. The first one I bought, I made mistake of using steel utensils on it. I would recommend using wooden or silicone utensils on it, if you want to keep it in good health. There are many pics available for this pan on internet. So, adding pics for reference. Hope it will help. You cannot go wrong with this pan. Highly recommended. If you found this review at all helpful, please take a minute to let me know by clicking the button saying this review was helpful to you. I try very hard to test all features before giving my unbiased opinion to users. Please feel free to reply to this comment, if you have any questions.